Every professional video editor knows how fragile an edit can be. One small change can mean reopening timelines, recutting scenes, and fixing things that were already completed. Video editing has always been powerful, but slow, rigid, and expensive to revise. Video editing now works more like image editing. You don't edit timelines, you edit with text. Dreamina Seedance2.0 is live on Pippit's video agent. Edit any part of your video with text instantly. Describe the change. See the change. What Seedance does, a brief overview. Seedance 2.0 is a text, prompt-based video editing model. There's no manual cutting, no traditional timeline work, and no frame-by-frame adjustments. First, Seedance can reference multiple inputs at the same time. You can guide the model using different references for the subject, visual style, background, or motion, all within a single generation or edit. Instead of working in layers or timelines, you describe what each element should be, and Seedance applies those references directly to the video. Next, you can replace a specific object inside a video without affecting anything else. Instead of reshooting or manually compositing, you describe the change in text, and the object is updated while the rest of the video remains untouched. Background change. You can also change the environment of a scene using text. The main subject stays intact, background is replaced or updated. There's no green screen, no manual masking, and no rebuilding the scene. Just a direct text-based edit. Seedance also allows you to adjust framing and composition using text. You can reframe a shot, change aspect ratios, or adjust how the subject is positioned without re-editing the original footage or cutting new shots. Unwanted elements can be removed directly through text instructions. Instead of frame-by-frame cleanup, you describe what should be removed and the video updates while everything else remains consistent. You can also control camera movement using text. Camera actions like pans, zooms, or angle changes can be applied without physical camera setups or timeline-based animation. This isn't about automating video creation for beginners. It's about giving professional creators a faster way to iterate and refine ideas. Less reshooting, faster revisions, and more focus on creative decisions instead of technical fixes. Seedance 2.0 is fully integrated into Pippit's video agent, enabling a text-driven professional video workflow built for modern creative production. The link is in the description. The next era of content creation, only on Pippit. Link in bio. If you're interested in how video editing is evolving, like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what feature you want to explore next.